What's going on, everyone? Have you been looking at getting a 4K TV? I know you've seen these inexpensive TVs, TLC and other brands on Costco or Walmart. What we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing today, and we're going to find out, do they have the programs that the more expensive ones do? Do they stack up? Do they have good quality picture? So right after this amazing intro, we'll get right to the unboxing. Welcome back to my channel, Easy Choice Reviews, where I do the tech reviews and unboxings to help give you an easy choice. Today we're doing a kind of an impromptu unboxing. I was out golfing with my buddy, and you may have seen that on my Instagram, at Easy Choice Reviews on Instagram. We were out golfing, and he said, hey, do you mind helping me hook up a TV? I want to install one outside by the pool. I already bought it, and I said, you know what? You let me do the unboxing for my community, and we'll go ahead and help you out. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do the unboxing. We'll show you, does it stack up to higher end TVs? Does it have the programming? Does it have the quality, especially for outside conditions? So we'll go ahead and show you outside. We've already started the install of the brackets, and then I'll show you that, and then we'll come back in and we'll do the unboxing real quick. There it is, guys. Don't mind the extra holes. We were trying to find the stud. TV will cover that up. This is just a swivel bracket this way. Mounted two lags in here, one on top, one on bottom, leveled it out. And we'll go back inside now and get the plate installed on the TV after we do the unboxing. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing now. I've installed several TVs for my buddy here. This will just add to the list.
Those two.
In case you guys are wondering, this is the TLC 55-inch. It's a 55S423. We've got a power cord, RCA cables, some mounting screws for the bracket, the stand, I'm assuming. You've got a Roku remote. It's got built-in Roku on this TV. You got batteries for the remote. I believe this has two stands, one on each side, 2 feet for the stands anyway. Here's the other one. Super light. I'm going to go ahead and use this to lay the TV down so it doesn't scratch the face. But there's the TV. Super thin, as you can see here. Go ahead. And it looks like that's it. That's the TV. Alright guys, the bracket we're using is the Echo Gear full motion TV mount. It's got these arms on here that are supposed to connect here to expand. They go out this way here to expand the reach of your TV. This TV doesn't need it. Let me show you here. The holes line up just fine. So we're going to go ahead and unscrew those 2 screws there and get this mounted up. We'll center that over the holes. We'll just hand tight these screws in here for now. You just want to make sure they're snug. And this is ready to go mount on the mount outside. All right, let's get started, folks. We're in the United States. This is for home use. We're going to do a wireless connection. Set up new connection. All right, I went ahead and set up the password for the Wi-Fi. I didn't want to give you all my buddy's password, so gonna have to update the software on the TV. Common in a lot of these new TVs. So built right into the TV, you can see you can get Netflix, Hulu, Roku, Pandora, ABC, Sling, HBO, ESPN. I'm sure there's a ton more applications once you get inside the programming that you can download or add as well. If you follow the Roku link, if you already have an account, you can log in, use that code to link your TV. If not, you can register for an account when you go there and then link your TV as well once you're finished. So going through the setup on your phone, once you link your TV, you can pick all your channels that you want and programs like Hulu and Netflix. You even link your Amazon account if you got one of those, your Amazon Prime. That all gets sent to the TV. It's even got the Google Play Store. I wonder if it has the Google Assistant through the microphone. My buddy does have a DirecTV wireless box that he is going to connect to this, so he can move it from his living room to here whenever he wants to come out here and watch his sports. So we are going to connect that real quick. Alright guys, here's an outlet here that we've plugged an extension cable into, ran it along the wall, and that's what we've got everything connected to for the TV. At a later date, we'll come back and we might install an outlet in the wall behind the TV, but this will work for now. We've got the power cable here for the DirecTV. We'll connect this power cord in here. And here's the box here. So we'll plug the power in, plug that in HDMI 1. We've got an AV out cable, like a S-video cable. You've got a USB, coaxial audio, power, and an HDMI. Alright guys, there's the unboxing, there's the install. It's not the greatest, like I said, we got some cables here we're going to clean up. We may do an electric outlet later on down the road here, but it's definitely viewable from the pool and from the table over there and under the patio. I don't know if you can tell on the screen, but the glare is not that bad, especially when you're in the pool, which is what we want. So the picture is just as clear as almost any of the 4Ks. It's a little bit less sharp only because of the sun, and I think at night this would be a great picture. So not to say it's not a great picture now, it really is, but it's got all the programs that my brand new LG has, which if you haven't seen that review, if I have it posted up, it'll be up here, and we'll get you a link for that. So, but it's got all the same features for the most part that my LG does, and runs it just as good with the Hulu and the Netflix for the Roku and stuff. Roku is a nice feature built in. So all in all, I can't complain. My buddy seems to be happy with it. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button down below if you're not already. Click the bell for the notification, and follow us on Instagram at Easy Choice Reviews, as well as Twitter at reviews_easy. We'll see you in the next video.